welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install fonts right to your computer. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Today I wanted to show you that with your Plus membership, if you guys are a Plus member, you guys have access to a lot of free font. So what you can do is come to your Plus membership, which is right here. You're just simply going to click on it. You're going to come to this screen. You have a couple ways to search the different fonts. You can come right over here to font categories, and you can go to regular, script, seasonal, so you can search them individual like this. And as you guys can see, look at this. There is 1,800 in just regular, 1,800 in script. So I mean, there is a ton of font for you Plus members for 1 Plus credit. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to come up here to the top and type in font. That's another way to do it. And then you guys can see a ton of these just kind of pop up. Now, how do you guys download these on your computer? So say, for example, I like this one right here. I'm going to click on it. You can kind of quickly, zoom through here, and we show you a few examples of, what it's going to look like if you created something with it. If you decide this is a font that you are happy with and you want to create a project, what you're going to do is you're going to hit download. Now mine says to download again because I've already downloaded it, but I'm going to just click on the download, and then it's going to give you a couple different options. You can download it with OTF or TTF. Really, honestly, most of the time it doesn't matter. I usually use the TTF. So you're going to click on download now. And then you're going to notice that it's going to pop up on your computer right here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to double tap, and then you're going to get a screen that looks like this. So it's going to show you an example of what it's going to look like. You have the name and everything. So all you simply have to do is hit install font. It's going to go through just like that, and you're going to notice that it's going to pop up under this list right here. Now, say for example, we want to use it with Cricut. How do we access this? Once you're inside of Cricut DesignScape, you have it opened up. All you simply have to do is come right over here to text. And then where it says font right here, we can click on it and we can actually search it. So we can type in wild and then hit enter. You don't even have to type out the whole thing. And you're going to notice right here it's available. So we're going to click on it and then say, for example, I'm going to type out Samantha, just like so. So you guys can see how nice that is. Now what's really cool is ever since Cricut has, put in the kerning feature, it's going to bring everything together for you. Used to, you guys would have to drag it all together, squish it in, but you don't have to do that anymore. The same would be if you used it with your silhouette. You're simply just going to search for it with those fonts. Now, what's really cool as well is, if you guys want to, you can also search for it underneath system. So if you come to system font, I'm going to get rid of the words wild here. If you click on system, you can also scroll through here until you get to, say, for example, the W's, and then you guys should see that pop up for you. So that's another way that you guys can search for that. And just like that, that's how easy it is to install those fonts on your computer. Now, these are not just for your Cricuts and silhouettes. You can use these in all sorts of different programs. For example, you can upload these into Sawgrass Creative Studio to use with sublimation. You can use these right here inside of our DesignScape program. So let me go ahead and show you guys that really quickly. If you guys are a Plus member, you guys actually have access to our DesignScape program. So let's go ahead and add our text in here. I'm going to click on this T right here. And then I can come right here to our font. So what I want to do is I want to load a font. So I'm going to come right here to load font. And then I'm just simply going to search for it. You guys can see it right here. It says Wild Sage. I'm going to click on it and hit upload. I'm going to hit OK. And now you guys can see it says it's loaded. So I could come over here now and I can change this. You guys can see I can choose Wild Sage right here, and then I can start to type out. So lots of different programs, like I said, that you guys can use these fonts in. And once again, if you guys are not a Plus member, definitely check it out because you guys will have access to tons of font. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.